This is a single-station cutting machine designed specifically for the processing of screw copper tubes. It integrates multiple core processes, including automatic uncoiling, straightening, feeding, and precision cutting, with a focus on improving processing efficiency and finished product quality. The automatic unwinding system adapts to multiple specifications of threaded copper tube coils, ensuring smooth unwinding, preventing material deformation and jamming, and laying a solid foundation for subsequent processes. Reasonable human-machine design makes material feeding faster and operations simpler, greatly reducing equipment startup preparation time and improving production continuity. The high-performance straightening module adopts a multi-stage adjustment design to accurately eliminate bending and twisting of the screw copper tube, ensuring that the material meets the straightness requirements of processing standards. The intelligent feeding device achieves stable and continuous advancement. Combined with high-precision sensors, it automatically adjusts the feeding speed and cutting rhythm to ensure consistent product dimensions. Using advanced chip-free cutting technology and wear-resistant alloy cutting tools, the cutting speed is fast. The cut surface is smooth and burr-free, eliminating the need for secondary processing and reducing production costs. Intelligent touchscreen operating system supports multi-segment length setting and batch switching, intuitive and simple operation, reducing the difficulty of operation. Made of high-strength steel and precision machining technology, the structure is compact and durable, ensuring long-term high-intensity operation and reducing maintenance frequency. This equipment can significantly improve production efficiency, increase production capacity by more than 20%, reduce waste by 15%, and achieve energy conservation, consumption reduction, and cost control. The equipment is equipped with multiple safety protection measures and is easy to operate, ensuring safe and efficient production. Single-station screw cutting machine with precision craftsmanship and high-efficiency performance leads the way in tube processing toward a new era of intelligent manufacturing, injecting powerful momentum into your production upgrade. Contact us to embark on a new chapter of efficient production.